Hi, this is Rapid Growth Online. Did you know that the average teenager can make upwards of $5,000 a month with just a few hours of work each week? I myself around $3,000 per month. Intriguing, isn't it? Well, you're in the right place to learn how. Welcome to another episode with your trusted guide to the digital era. Today, we're breaking down the top ways teenagers can turn their free time into cold, hard cash. So buckle up, get ready to take notes, and stick around to find out how you can start earning too. The internet is a goldmine for teenagers to make money. This expansive digital cosmos, ripe with potential, is eagerly awaiting your exploration. 1. The internet changed how we live and work, making the world smaller. It has transformed our world into a tightly knit community, enabling anyone, anywhere, at any moment to connect, share, and create. 2. The internet lets you make money in many ways, like selling stuff, offering services, blogging, vlogging, or gaming. The avenues are limitless. The magic of the internet lies in its accessibility and adaptability. 3. It's a place where creativity, new ideas, and business can grow. It's a realm where you can generate profits. Your hobbies can become revenue streams. So why wait any longer? Use the power of the internet and let it work for you. Today, we unveil the top 5 ways teenagers are making money online. Let's jump right into it. First up, we have online surveys. Companies are always seeking consumer insights and are willing to pay for them. Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie offer paid surveys that anyone can take part in. It's a simple way to make a few extra bucks, and all you need is an internet connection and a bit of spare time. Next on the list, we have freelancing. If you have a specific skill such as writing, graphic design, or coding, freelancing websites like Upwork and Fiverr provide a platform to connect you with employers. You can set your own rates and work on projects that interest you. Our third method is selling products online. This could be anything from handmade crafts to secondhand items you no longer need. Websites like Etsy and eBay make it easy to set up your own online store, and with a bit of marketing savvy, you could be making sales in no time. Coming in at number 4, we have affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on any sales made through your referral link. Several companies, including Amazon, offer affiliate programs that you can join. Finally, we have content creation. If you have a knack for creating entertaining or informative content, you could earn money through platforms like YouTube or TikTok. These platforms allow creators to earn money through ad revenue and brand partnerships. Now, it's important to note that while these methods can be profitable, they also require effort and dedication. There's no such thing as easy money, and online work is no exception. However, with the right mindset and a bit of hard work, these methods can provide a steady income stream. These methods have been proven effective and are currently being utilized by successful teenagers worldwide. So, there you have it. The top 5 ways teenagers are making money online. Whether you're looking to make a bit of pocket money or start a full-fledged online business, these methods offer a great starting point. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into each of these methods in the next scene. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of each method. First up, we have online surveys. This might sound like chump change, but with dedication, you can make a decent amount. Companies are always looking for consumer opinions, and you're just the person they need. Sign up for sites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie. Spend a few minutes a day answering questions and watch the rewards roll in. Success stories abound, like Jane from Ohio, who made over $200 in her first month. Next, let's talk about freelancing. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, or coding, you can sell your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Start by creating a compelling profile, then bid on jobs that match your skills. As you build your portfolio, you can increase your rates. Take Sam, a high schooler from California. He started offering his coding skills on Fiverr and now makes over $1,000 a month. Then there's affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products and earning a commission on any sales made through your referral link. You can promote products on your blog, social media, or even a YouTube channel. Take a look at Lisa, a teenager who started a beauty blog and now makes a steady income from recommending her favorite products. Fourthly, we have online tutoring. If you excel in a subject, why not share your knowledge and get paid for it? Websites like Chegg Tutors and Tutor.com are always looking for tutors in a range of subjects. Sophie, a college student, started tutoring high school math on Chegg, and now she earns around $500 a month. Lastly, consider starting a YouTube channel. If you have a unique hobby or skill, why not share it with the world? With patience and consistency, you can earn money from ad revenue and sponsorships. Just look at Jake, who started a gaming channel and now has over 1 million subscribers. With determination and consistency, these methods can turn into a steady income stream. Making money as a teenager has never been easier with the power of the internet. We've journeyed together through the vast digital landscape, exploring the numerous ways you can harness the web to build your own stream of income. Let's quickly jog our memory. We started with online surveys and reviews, a simple yet effective method to earn money while giving your opinion. Then we moved on to freelancing, a flexible option that allows you to monetize your skills. We also discussed affiliate marketing, a lucrative method for those willing to learn the ropes of online sales. We then dived into the world of content creation, which is not only fun, but can also be monetized through ads, sponsorships, and fan donations. Lastly, we examined online tutoring, a noble way to earn money by sharing your knowledge with others. Each of these methods has its own charm and potential, and it's up to you to choose which suits you best. Remember, the internet is a gold mine, and with determination and consistency, you can carve out your own piece of the pie. As with any new venture, there might be challenges, but don't let them deter you. Take them as learning opportunities. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start exploring these methods today. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Let's help more teenagers make money online. Until next time, this is Rapid Growth Online signing off.